Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll be talking about Mesalazine. Mesalazine is a medicine used to treat diseases that cause inflammation in the gut, like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. If you've been prescribed Mesalazine, it's likely you have inflammation in your colon or rectum. So how does it work? Well, Mesalazine acts directly on the inside lining of your gut, helping to calm down the inflammation. This helps to ease symptoms like tummy pain and diarrhea. When it comes to the dose and how to take it, the most important thing is to always follow your doctor's instructions. Usually you'll start with a higher dose to get your symptoms under control, and then it's lowered to a maintenance dose to keep them from coming back. It's super important to take Mesalazine exactly as prescribed, and don't forget to take it with food to avoid an upset stomach. Now let's chat a bit about side effects and what to watch out for. Some people might get headaches, feel sick to their stomach, or get a skin rash. If you notice any strange or serious symptoms, talk to your doctor right away. Also, it's important to let your doctor know if you have any kidney or liver problems. To sum it up, Mesalazine is a really helpful tool for managing gut inflammation. Always follow your doctor's advice and don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you soon.